Welcome to John Lewis 3D Learning. In this fun mathematics series, the topic what we are going to see today is a multiplication of a 5-digit number by another 5-digit number mentally in just 10 seconds. So let us take this example 62,074 multiplied by 51,809. So what is the answer? Can we find it out mentally in single step without writing any intermediate steps? Yes, it can be done. So this is the answer. But how to get it? What is the secret? So let us try to learn the secret. So the method is known as crisscross multiplication. Already we have learned in 2-digit multiplied by 2-digit, 3-digit multiplied by 3-digit, and also 4-digit multiplied by 4-digit. This is the extension of that. So first you write all the 5-digit number, first number, and then put down the 5 digits of the second number below the first number. Now we need to multiply this 5 digit by another 5-digit number and put down the answer down here. But what are the various steps? How this can be done? So this is carried out, or this can be done by nine steps. All the steps we have to do mentally. So in the first step, as usual, we need to multiply only the first two digits and put down only the first number. If any carry over is there, that should be added to the second step. That is, I think, without me telling you every time, that is understood from the previous examples. Now in the second step, we need to do two cross multiplication. This with this and this with this. So this pictorial representation explains everything. Second digits, this is the first digit. This is the second digit, this is the first digit. So just by looking at the pictorial representation, we can understand what are the two numbers to be multiplied here. And what are the two products you are getting, you have to add them up. And along with that, the remainder from the step 1 should be added here. Now in the third step, 3 cross multiplication. So this and this, this and this, and this and this. You multiply crosswise, sum them up, sum up the products, and along with the final products you add if any remainder is there from the previous step. Now the fourth step, we need to do 4 cross multiplication. This with this, this with this, and this with this. Now this with this and this with this. 4 cross multiplication we have to do. Everything we need to do mentally, quickly, and then we have to sum them up together. And with the final answer, we need to add anything carried over from the previous step, that is step number 3. That should be added here. Now in the fifth step, we need to do 5 cross multiplication mentally. First number with the last number of this one. Here the first number, the last number of this, and these two numbers and these two numbers, and then these two numbers should be multiplied vertically. So altogether 5 cross multiplications are there, and we need to sum up all the 5 products, and along with that any carry over from step number 4, the previous step, we have to add with the sum of these 5 products here. Now the sixth step, leave out the first 2 digits, take only the remaining 4 digits. So this with this with this, and these two numbers and these two numbers. 4 cross multiplications. And what all the products we get here, we need to sum them up. Along with that, any carry over from step number 5 should be added here. Then seventh step, leave out the other 2 digits also, take only the last 3 digits. So this and this, this and this, and these two numbers. Sum them up, and then we have to add any carry over from step number 6. Then step number 8, leave out this number also, take only the last 2 digits, do the cross multiplication. Sum them up. Along with that, add any carry over from step number 7. Now the last step, multiply only the last 2 digits, leaving out all the other digits. And any carry over from the previous step, that is step number 8, should be added here. And that's it. These are the various 9 steps to be used in order to multiply a 5-digit number by another 5-digit number mentally. Now let us take the example and work it out ourselves. So this is the first number 92,074. The second number is 51,809. Now what is the first step? So the first step is multiply only the first two numbers. 4 nines are 36, 6, the carry over is 3. Try to remember it. Now what is the second step? 9 sevens are 63, 4 zeros are 0. Therefore 63, the previous step, the carry over was 3. Therefore 63 plus 3 is 66. Now the carry over is 6 in the second step. Remember that 6. Now let's move on to the third step. 0 into 9, 0, 8 fours are 32, 7 zeros are 0. Therefore 32, in the previous step 6 was a carry over. 32 plus 6, 38. So 8 we have put down here. What is the carry over? 3 is the carry over. Now let's move on to the fourth step. 2 nines are 18, 1 4 is 4. 18 plus 4, 22. And here 0 into 0 is 0. Therefore 22 plus 0 is 22. And here 8 sevens are 56. So 22 plus 56 is 78. Then here there were 3 carry over in the previous step. 78 plus 1 is 81. So 1 we have put down here. 8 is a carry over here now. Okay, now remember this 8. Don't forget it. Remember this 8. Okay, now let's move on to step number 5. 6 nines are 54 and 5 fours are 20. 54 plus 20, 74. 2 into 0, 0. Therefore 74. 1 into 7 is 7. So 74 plus 7 is 81. This is 8. 8 zeros are 0. Therefore 81. Here the carry over was 8. Therefore 81 plus 8 is 89. So I put down this 8. Again the carry over is 8 here. Now let us move on to the next step. So leave out the last two digits. Only these 4 digits should be taken and carry over is 8 here. Okay, 6 into 0 is 0. 5 sevens are 35 and 2 8s are 16. 35 plus 16 is 51 and 0 into 1 is 0. Therefore 51. Okay, what was the carry over there? 8. So 51 plus 8 is 59. Therefore I have put 9 here. Now the carry over is 5. Remember this 5. Okay, now 6 8s are 48. 5 zeros are 0. Therefore 48 plus 0 is 48. And plus 2 into 1 is 2. So that is 48 plus 2 is 50. But the carry over was 5 here. Therefore 50 plus 5, 55. Therefore I have put 5 here. Now the carry over is 5. Now only the last two digits should be multiplied. Remember the carry over was 5 there. Okay, 6 into 1 is 6. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 5, the carry over 5, 21. Therefore I have put 1 here, the carry over is 2. Remember the carry over 2 here. So now only the last step, 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2, the carry over is 32. So I have put down this 32 here. No more number, therefore we have finished the sum with 32 here. Therefore this is the answer. If you want to verify, you can take your calculator and verify it. But there is a simple method to verify such a big sum without the calculator. That is called digit sum method. So I have explained it in another video called digit sum method, multiplication verification by digit sum method. If you are interested, you can watch that video also in the same channel, John Lewis 3D Learning. Hope you liked it and you enjoyed it. If you like it, please click the thumbs up and share it with your friends, and without fail subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Until we meet next time with another interesting topic. Bye bye.